Waalaikumsalam,
Waalaikumsalam.
Wabarakatuh.
Hey, Alex, please lead the
Yes.
prayer. Please lead the prayer before we start study today.
Yeah. Okay, friends. Before we start to study, we hope that we pray to Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. So the prayer we start to pray. Finish.
Okay, thank you. Okay, good morning, my students.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good.
Very good,
Good.
ma'am.
Okay, Desi,
How are
you
you,
look so
ma'am?
beautiful today, Desi. Yeah, Tari. Oh,
Yes,
Alex,
ma'am.
you look so handsome today, Alex.
Thank you,
Okay.
Miss.
Okay, is there any
Yeah.
absent today? Is there any absent today? Nothing?
Nothing, ma'am. Hadir semua. Hadir semua,
okay.
Pak.
Joy Boy Rusman. Joy Boy Rusman,
Oh
ma'am.
iya, Pak Boy.
What happened with him?
I don't know. Maybe it is difficult for him to join with Zoom meeting. Maybe
Okay.
because the signal problems.
Okay, we hope for the next time we can join with us, okay? Now, look at this. This, I give you a word story. Can you see this word? Can you see?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, story.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I tell the word story, what if in your mind about story? Jika Ibu memberikan sebuah kata story, apa yang ada dalam pikiran kamu? What is in your mind about story? Okay.
Cerita, ma'am.
Cerita, Mam. Okay. Cerita, what else? Apa lagi? What else? Desi?
Malin kundang, ma'am.
Malin kundang, good. What else? Malin kundang, what else?
Cinderella.
Cinderella, what else?
Apa lagi tadi?
Apa lagi? What else?
Legenda,
No,
ma'am.
Saya, ma'am.
Legenda, okay. Oh, Siti Nurbaya, good. What else, Alex? What is in your mind about story?
Putri Salju.
Putri Salju, okay, good.
Snow White.
No one. Okay, next. Okay, look at this. When you were still a little child, did your parents tell you stories? Okay. Ketika kamu masih kecil, apakah orang tua kamu suka membacakan cerita?
Pernah, ma'am.
Pernah,
Iya,
Ma'am?
ma'am.
Okay, now, what story did you like most? Cerita apa yang paling Ananda sukai?
Kancil dan buaya dulu, ma'am.
Oh, Kancil dan
Iya,
Buaya. Desi suka Kancil dan Buaya. What about Amel? What story did you like most? Tari?
Malin kundang, ma'am.
Malin kundang, Ma'am. Okay, next. Now, do you like to watch movies? Do you like to watch movies? Suka menonton cerita?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Or read storybook? Okay.
Yes.
Have you seen the Malin Kundang movie? Pernah menonton cerita Malin Kundang?
Pernah, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Pernah, ma'am.
Okay. How about the Cinderella? Have you seen the Cinderella?
Yes, pernah, ma'am.
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yeah. I love it.
Okay. Okay, student. The question that I asked to you, it is related to the topic today. Today, we are going to learn about narrative text. Okay. After we learn this material, I hope you are able to compare the social function of narrative text and you can identify the generic structure of narrative text. And remember, my student, all in our activity today, I will observe your discipline, confidence, your collaboration, and your communication ability. Do you understand, my students?
Yes.
Okay, good. Next, look at this. I will use one movie, but before this, read this instruction, read and comprehend the question and try to answer by watching the movie below. Look at this, there are 5 questions here. Can you see the questions? Okay. Yeah, can you see the
Yes,
questions?
ma'am.
Okay, after you're watching the movie, can you tell what is the story about? And number 2, where does the story come from? Number 3, who is the main character in the story? And the number 4, how many characters are there in the story? And the 5, who are they? Okay, now let's see the movie. And after that, please, we try to answer the question by the movie. Okay, look at the movie. Ada yang suka menonton kan? Pasti suka ya?
Iya.
Oke, bisa dilihat nggak nak videonya?
Belum, Mem?
Bisa
Belum.
dilihat videonya? Oke.
Belum, Mem.
Belum, Mem.
Belum, Mem. Oke. Ini masih loading.
Halo my student.
Bisa dilihat videonya?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Tadi belum, Mem.
Suaranya sudah, Mem, tapi
aja.
gambarnya
Long
tidak ada.
time ago, in a small village near the beach in West Sumatra, a woman and her son lived.
Bisa dilihat
They
anak-anak
were
ibu?
Malin
Can
Kundang
you see
and
that?
her mother.
Not yet,
The
Mem.
mother was a single parent because Malin Kundang's father had passed away when he was a baby. Malin Kundang had to live hard with his mother. Malin Kundang was a help after getting one day a small band of pirates. He helped the merchant. With his brave and power, Malin Kundang defeated the pirates. To get a better life, Malin Kundang agreed. He left his mother alone. Made perfectly, he had a beauty landed on a beach near the New Zealand. When the mother came, Malin looked at her, dirty and an ugly woman. After angriness, she suddenly he fell on a small island. It was really too late for him to avoid his curse. Suddenly,
Seniman jalanan Cina ini.
Okay. Hello, my students.
Hello,
Ya,
Mem.
Miss.
Have you seen the movies?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now we try to answer the question after seeing the movies. Can you see my slide? Bisa dilihat slide Ibu, Nak?
Bisa.
Okay, number one. After you watch the
Miss.
movie, yeah, Alex.
After watching the movie,
Yes.
can you tell me what is the story about?
Yeah,
Langsung,
good.
Miss.
Ya, langsung.
Ini berkelompok kerjanya atau sendiri? Miss?
Sekarang masih sendiri, Alex. Nanti baru kita
Oh
berkelompok
ya, 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 ya.
Okay, what is the answer, Alex?
Malin Kundang rasanya.
Malin Kundang. Is it true? Benar?
Kok pakai rasanya, Lex?
Okay, good. Give a plus for Alex. You get
Oh.
1 point today, Alex. Hari ini Alex mendapatkan 1 poin. Nanti Bu tambahkan ke PH-nya ya, oke? Next.
Dapat bintang kan, Miss?
Oh, dapat bintang dan dapat nilai juga. Number 2, where does the story come from? Where does the story come from? Apa artinya? Dari mana cerita ini berasal? Oke, who can answer these questions? Okay. Come on, my
Tari, ma'am.
students. Okay, good. Tari, what is the answer?
Sumatera Barat, Mem.
Sumatera Barat in English?
Oh,
Where?
West Sumatera, Mem.
Sumatra. Good. I give you point today. Next, who is the main character in the story? Main character. What does it mean, character? Toh?
Karakter utama, Mem.
Peran utama, tokoh utama. Okay, Desi, who is the main character?
Kundang.
Malin Kundang. Is it true? Benar? Okay.
Benar.
Next, how many character are there in this story? Berapa banyak karakter yang ada?
4 karakter, Mem.
4 karakter. Who are they? Malin Kundang.
Ibunya?
Mamahnya, ibunya.
Malin's mother. Who else?
Oh, Malin's mothers.
Malin's mother. Ibunya Malin Kundang. Who else?
Istrinya, Mem.
Oh, Malin's wife. What else? And
Lagi siapa ya?
and merchant ya, and merchant.
Apa tuh merchant, Miss?
Merchant itu adalah
Oh, pedagang.
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 Oke, good. Next. Nah, kemarin kita sudah bagi kelompoknya kan, kelompok 1 dan 2. Oke, ketua kelompok 1 kemarin siapa? Alex ya. Kelompok 2 Tari ketuanya. Oke, now work in a group. Rewrite the jumble sentence below into a good order to form a paragraph. Can you understand what I mean, my students? Bisa mengerti maksud ibu nak? Oke.
Yes.
Ada kalimat acak ya tentang apa? Malin kundang. Now I ask you to rearrange this jumble sentence into a good paragraph. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to do this, and then after that you try to rearrange this sentence into this table. Okay, it is for the group 1. Okay, and after that you try to identify the title. Okay, social function, generic structure, orientation, complication, and resolution. And for the group 2, you can do the text 2. It is about Cinderella. Okay, Cinderella. It is the jumble sentence, and later you will rearrange this jumble sentence into the good narrative paragraph in this table. After that, you try to identify the title, social function, and generic structure. Okay, I will give you time 5 minutes to do that. Okay, 5 minutes. Group 1, who will be the speaker from group 1? Alex? Okay. Or Desi? Ya, siapa yang mau mencoba menjawab? Okay. Hello?
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, my students. Okay, who will want to try to answer?
Me, ma'am.
One. Okay, Desi. Okay, the first
Jawaban
one is,
pertamanya, once upon a time,
yeah.
there was a poor woman who had lost her husband and had a son named Malingkundang.
Okay,
correct, ma'am?
good. Betul, good. Next, number 2. Number 2.
Malingkundang.
Ada Nana yang beluk-beluk.
Number 2, Malingkundang went sailing to other place.
Okay, good. Next.
Masuk angin.
I can let.
Number 3,
Yeah.
ever since Malingkundang left,
Yeah.
Dia tukar.
to short holiday,
Yeah.
waiting for Malingkundang to return.
Okay, next.
Correct, ma'am?
Bilang apa?
Is it true? It is true. What is the next?
Masih saya, ma'am?
Ya,
Ada uji
masih
soalnya.
Number 4,
Yeah.
after years,
Yeah.
there was a luxurious ship.
Di kode lo.
A young couple came out from the ship.
Okay, good. Next. Number
Number
5.
5, Malin's mother was sure that
Yang aku tuh nak ada unicorn unicorn.
Okay. Number 6.
and then
Itu nak apa dah. Dari telepon ni dah tu unicorn.
Malin did not admit
Kenapa
that she
punya ni?
was his mother. Instead, he drove her away and denied his own mother.
Okay.
And then number 7,
Yeah, the last.
the last one,
Yeah.
being denied and apa nih membacanya nih, ma'am?
Humiliated.
Humiliated. His mother was angry.
angry. And finally,
Finally,
she.
finally, She apa nih, ma'am?
She kills him into a stone.
Pierce him into a stone.
A stone. Okay, good. Desi, give applause for Desi. Okay, next. Now, after that, we try to identify the title. Still group 1. Okay, Alex. Okay.
Ya, Miss.
Yes. What is the title of the next one? This.
Oh, pasti maling kundang tuh, Miss.
Oh, good. Maling
Kalah itu.
kundang. Okay. And social function.
To entertain, to amuse, the reader.
To amuse the reader.
Ya, maling kundang story.
About Malin Kundang story. Okay. To identify
So,
the
medic video.
title and social function. You can open your textbook, yeah. You can open your book. Okay. Next, what about generic structures?
Bisa yang nggak ikut tambah-tambah roh. Jadi gabungan.
Strukturnya orientation.
Ya.
Mungkin orientationnya
Hitung,
once
hitung deh,
upon a
tolong
time
hitung
yang
deh.
paragraf pertama. Miss.
Yang paragraf
Seperti yang
pertama.
dijelaskan tadi.
Okay.
Fauzi,
Good.
kawan
Complication.
satu gitu ya.
Complicationnya
Ibu kata-kata
maling
tulis.
kundang when sailing to other place.
Ya.
Sampai ke deny his own mothers.
Deny his own mother. Sampai kalimat nomor 6 ya, Alex.
Ya, kalimat
And the
nomor 6.
resolution is
Ya, being denied and humiliated, his mother was angry. Finally, she cursed him into a stone.
into S. Okay, good. Give applause for group 1. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Miss.
Group 1 get a high score today. Okay, good. Next, good job. Next, we come to the second group. Tari and the friends. Are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Are you
Yes,
here?
ma'am.
Doni disuruh, Miss. Dia diam-diam aja, nggak nampak wajahnya.
Iya, kenapa dia itu yang hari ini ya?
Nah,
Token saya habis, Mem.
Oh, Ibu pikir
Lampu mati di sini, Mem.
Okay, next for the group 2, try to rearrange the jumble sentence be a good paragraph. Okay, what story is it? Tari?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, group 2, Tari. You will be a speaker for group 2. Okay, now look at the text 2. Now, please rearrange the jumble sentence into a good paragraph. What is the text about, Tari?
Cinderella, ma'am.
Cinderella, okay. Have you ever done your work in group?
Yes, ma'am. We
Okay,
have.
good. Now, report your work to me. Okay. Then number 1, Tari.
Once upon a time,
Once upon a time.
there was a girl named Cinderella.
Okay, good. Pada zaman dahulu kala ada seorang gadis bernama Cinderella. Next, what is next?
She lived with
Yes.
cruel stepmother and did no work in the house.
In the house. Okay. What else?
One day,
One
an
day.
invitation, Cinderella danced with the prince.
Yeah.
Cinderella left the ball at midnight.
Yeah.
She left her glass slipper behind.
Behind. Okay. What is next?
The prince
Yeah.
found her and the slipper fit.
Okay. Next.
They got married and lived happily ever after.
Ever after. Is it true? Okay, the other student, is it true? Okay, give applause for group 1. Next. Okay.
We are group 2, ma'am.
Oh yeah, group 2. Okay, sorry, Tari, group 2. Okay. Now, please to identify the title, social function, engineering structure. You can identify this component by looking your book, okay? By looking your module, your textbook, okay? Sudah baca bukunya kan? Setelah dibaca bukunya, please identify the title, okay? Group 2, what is the title of your story?
Ayo Doni, coba dijawab.
Iya Doni ini dari tadi Ibu lihat enggak konsentrasi. Kenapa? Sakit perut? Halo, Doni.
Yes, ma'am.
Iya.
Perutnya sakit kepala, ma'am. Sebentar ya, ma'am.
Oh, sakit kepala. Ya udah, di sini aja, ketua kelompoknya aja, Tari. Laporkan pekerjaannya.
Nah, ya Bu Tari, silakan Tari.
Angel ada, ma'am.
Angel ada?
Ada, ma'am.
Okay, what is the title? The
From
title. Yeah.
the text.
Cinderella. Okay.
Wait, ma'am. Tadi Angel ke belakang. Oh,
Okay.
wait, ma'am. Cinderella and the prince got married and live happily ever after.
Okay, good. Give applause for
Thank
Angel.
you.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you understand about
Thank
our
you, ma'am.
class? Okay, Angel. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Now, okay. Okay, we come to the next worksheet. Work in a group. Watch the movie by click the link of video. Nah, ini kan kesukaan anak ibu ya. Suka kan menonton video kan?
Suka, ma'am.
Suka sekali. Desi suka menonton video apa? Suka nonton
K-pop, ma'am.
Oh, K-pop. Itu Doni apa Alex ya?
Oh, kalau saya nggak suka K-pop, ma'am. Saya sukanya pop mie aja.
Oh, pop
Ya.
aja. Kalau Alex, which movie
nggak
do you
suka.
like most?
Kalau Alex Mandarin tuh, ma'am.
Oh, Mandarin. Oh, drakor gitu ya. Alen.
No, yang cakak-cakak tuh misal.
Oh, ya. Sung Gokong, do you like? What Sung Gokong?
Iya, yang cakak-cakak.
Itu dari Mandarin tuh, ma'am.
Okay, good, my students. Okay, now work in a group. Kamu bekerja dalam grup. Watch the movie by click the link of video and try to complete the below to answer the questions based on the story in the movie. Jadi di sini kamu bekerja dalam grup, kemudian kita berusaha melengkapi tabel yang ada disediakan di bawah dengan cara menonton video. Ini dia tabelnya. Yang pertama title, the second one is social function, and then about orientation. The question is, when was the story take place? Apa artinya? Kapan? Cerita
Terjadi.
terjadi. Okay, good.
Terjadi.
Who is the main character of the story? Siapa?
Karakter utama.
Karakter utama, tokoh utama. Where did the story happen? Apa artinya? Di
Gimana ceritanya?
mana?
Jadi.
Okay. What happened to the main character according to the story? What happened? Apa?
Apa yang terjadi?
Apa yang terjadi
Terjadi
kepada
Ada karakter
pada karakter utama.
Oke, itu adalah isi dari orientation ya. Next, complication. What problem the main character face? Masalah?
Apa
ya.
masalah yang dihadapi oleh pemain utama?
Tokoh utama. And the last is resolution. What did the main character do to solve the problem? Apa yang
Harus dilakukan
dilakukan tokoh utama?
Menyelesaikan masalah.
masalah.
Let's watch the movie. Senang ya kalau naratif ini bawaannya mau nonton aja. Akhirnya anak ibu
To see again. But this time, she could not believe her eyes. Right where the frog was standing a moment ago, there was a wolf.
The evil witch cast a spell on me and turned me into a frog. To break the spell, I had to spend.
Okay, what do you think of the movie? What do you think of the movie? Ya, apa pendapatnya tentang movie ini anak-anak ibu? Is it enjoyable? Menyenangkan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Kita belajar lebaran ya. Okay, my student.
Ya, ma'am.
Okay, next. What is the title of the movie?
Oh, ma'am. Me, ma'am.
Ya, Alex.
Alex aja, ma'am. Saya Doni, ma'am. Aduh.
Lah, ibu di pikirannya Alex dulu.
Pengen ma'am kayak Alex aja, mah.
Alex ini karena dia rajin sama ibu, jadi ibu selalu teringat sama dia. Oke, Doni, good. Oke, try to answer.
Oke. Saya juga rajin, ma'am.
Oh iya, ya.
Rajin tidur.
Rajin huru hara, ma'am, Doni, ma'am.
Oke, semuanya.
Oke, ma'am.
Oke.
Ada Prince Frog kalau nggak salah judulnya, Mem.
Oh, The Frog Prince ya.
Oh, Frog Prince. Oke.
Frog Prince. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya? The Frog Prince di Indonesia? Apa artinya?
Pangeran
Pangeran Kodok. Okay, next. We come to the social function. What is the social function of the movie? Okay. Look to.
We have to fulfill our promise, ma'am.
Okay, social function.
Ma'am.
Ya.
Ma'am.
Ya. Angel ya.
Social function, ma'am.
Ya, Angel.
We have to. Yeah, ma'am.
Ya, Angel. Good.
To give social functionnya, ma'am, we have to fulfill our promise. Don't break our promise.
Don't break our promise. Ya, social function di sini Angel mencoba menyebutkan social function yang kedua. Yang pertama tadi to amuse the reader. Yang kedua adalah to give moral lesson. Itu adalah social function. Okay, good. It is about opening paragraph. Yang diceritakan di sini siapa? Tokoh, tempat, dan waktu. Orientation, tokoh, tempat, dan waktu. Next, the second one is complication. What does it mean complication? Di complication ini apa yang dijelaskan di sini? Okay, my students, can you hear me? Ya, konflik, Mom. Konfliknya mulai kejadian berkembang. Problems in the story develop. Oke. Biasanya complication ini terletak pada paragraf berapa? 2,
Kedua.
3, 4, 5, dan seterusnya. Nah, kalau orientation tadi, Nak, biasanya di paragraf berapa?
Pertama, ma'am.
Okay, good. We can find the orientation in the first paragraph. And the complication and the last is resolution. What is resolution? What is it, resolution? Apa itu resolution? Akhir cerita. Di sini masalahnya selesai, happy ending or bad ending. Where we can find the resolution? In what paragraph?
Last paragraph, ma'am.
At the last paragraph. Okay. Do you understand about our topic today?
Yes,
Do you understand
ma'am.
about our topic today? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, boys and girls, today you have done a very good job today. Give applause for us, ya. Beri tepuk tangan untuk kita semuanya. Okay, can you hear me? Nanti Bu tepuk tangan sendiri aja ini. Ada enggak yang dengar Ibu?
Okay, ma'am. Dengar, ma'am.
Okay. And next meeting still discuss about narrative text, but the next meeting we will learn about the language feature of narrative text. Hari ini kita hanya belajar tentang apa? Social function-nya, generic structure-nya saja. Oke. Okay. And later at home dan di rumah, I want you to find other stories about narrative text. It can be from the local stories or foreign stories. Di sana, Ibu?
Bisa, ma'am.
Alex, apa tugas yang Ibu kasih tadi, Nak? Di rumah apa?
Membaca tentang naratif teks atau mencari menonton lah, Miss.
Oke, mencari sebuah cerita naratif. Boleh cerita lokal, boleh dari foreign, boleh dari luar atau mancanegara. And try to read the story at home. And don't forget to bring it at school. Dan jangan lupa membawanya ke sekolah ya. Because we will still use this story for the next activities. Karena kita akan menggunakan cerita ini untuk aktivitas kita berikutnya. Okay, my student, any questions so far? Ada pertanyaan?
No, so far so good.
So far so good?
No, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, no, thank you, ma'am. Okay, the last one. Nah, masih ada yang terakhirnya, Nak, ya. Setelah kita mempelajari materi ini, we will do quiz. Kita ada quiz ya. Kalau sudah quiz pasti Alex, ya Ibu, ujung-ujungnya quiz, ya kan Bu? Ya Alex? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, okay. After this lesson, we will do this several quiz. I will give you several questions, and I have sent the question our group in WhatsApp, and you can send the answer of the question to my WhatsApp. Okay, my students.
Okay.
Okay, if there is no question, I think that's all for our lesson today. Before we close our class today, please say Hamdalah.